This eggplant casserole is heartwarming and delicious. It is also an excellent option for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Start with 2 eggplants about 600 grams each. Then, slice in 6 mm thick slices. Cover the bottom of a frying pan with vegetable oil and place on the stovetop over medium heat. Fry the eggplant slices on both sides until lightly brown. You have to replenish the oil with every batch because the eggplant absorbs it. Then start peeling and washing 4 garlic cloves for the sauce. You also need a few parsley sprigs. Remove the leaves from the stem. 1 cup of leaves is plenty for this recipe. Then you need to finely chop the parsley in one direction, then crosswise. To make the sauce, place approximately 350 milliliters strained tomatoes mixed with half cup of water and 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste in a saucepan on the stovetop. Add the garlic slice finely. You may want to use a cutting board for this. Mix, then add the chopped parsley. Bring to boil and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. The sauce is ready. I'm using 450 grams of cooked ground meat. Click on the title of the video below to see the transcript and the ingredients required to prepare it. Mix the meat with approximately half cup of cooking cream or sour cream and 1 egg. Adjust the cooking cream until you obtain a creamy mixture. There is a video linked at the end to show how to cook ground meat from scratch. To assemble the casserole, use a 2.5-liter oven-proof dish. Cover the bottom with a few tablespoons of sauce. Add a layer of eggplant slices, about 1/3 of them. Then add a layer of meat, about half of it. Then repeat the layers. Sprinkle some salt on each layer of eggplant slices. Finish with a layer of eggplant slices and top with the remaining sauce. Bake in the oven for 2 hours at 180 degrees Celsius. Then enjoy.